no remnants, no trace, no residual feelings with.
Hey y'all, today we are working on the food truck with my best friend. We about to drop Amiri off and then.
So you guys tell Cindy I'm never ever coming back.
Anyways, he said he kicking his stuff out of my house and he's running away, I guess. I don't know. But like if he's never coming back, can he give me my iPad back? Anyways, so we're about to go there and y'all about to chill with us while we working on the food truck. And yeah, y'all about to see. And y'all about to see the food that they make. Well, that he makes. I be taking the orders, he be making the food. Okay y'all, so this is the food truck, and then there's somewhere out here too. His crazy self forgot some stuff, so that's what he about to go do. Get some of the stuff. And this stuff is about to be all out the way. And y'all about to see me work my magic. I'm talking about y'all about to see me work my magic. I don't know what the hell I'm doing. I think this will stay in there a little longer. Actually, let me see. Yeah, a little longer. Thinking I know what I'm doing. Dang, I could not show y'all me in action, but I'm about to go out there and I'm about to put some of the pops in the cooler. Oh, and then they brought some donuts over. They look so good. Hold on, I'm about to prop it up like this so y'all can see me a little bit at least. Put nobody on camera, so I'm going to put y'all back in the truck. Oh, it's only one left. Might as well put it in, right? Of course it will get knocked over. But I'll be right back, y'all. Shot caller. Okay y'all, so he's back after he was having me doing the craziest stuff ever.
Oh, held it down.
Indeed. So I'm about to show y'all the food truck out here. Hold on. Well, it's two more, but that's one of them over there. He brought us some donuts, such a sweetheart. And then it's one right there too. What's the other food truck?
Franks and Shakes. They sell hot dogs and milkshakes.
Oh, okay.
Gourmet hot dogs.
What's on that? Like chili cheese dogs and stuff like that? Period.
This is a perfect event for them. They say it's supposed to be 1,000 kids. It's looking a little short right now. We'll see how it goes.
It should be a lot. A lot should be popping in. At least we close by the what's the name? In case
Garage.
In case anything happens.
Yeah.
Knock on wood.
Right.
Or something already happened.
Yeah, like imagine if this was all the way like on the east side. I would have been fucked.
Yes. Especially if we was at what's the name again?
Oh, in Warrensville? Fuck that place.
More so Garfield, buddy.
Fuck that place. I worked one of them shits by myself.
Did you?
It died like
When?
like
Why you ain't been asking me to help?
tell you, I worked 40 hours last weekend.
I was
3 12-hour days. He canceled the rest of it for the year though, so.
Did he? What type of event y'all had left?
It's this place they opened in Breaksville. It's called The Post. You been to Beachwood Food Truck Park, haven't you?
I haven't been there, but I've been across the
You
street.
been to Lakewood? Yeah, you been to Lakewood. It's the same thing as Lakewood Truck Park.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, but it's just too cold outside. Ain't nobody out there.
Yeah, it is cold.
I was out there from 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. And we was only out there for like 4 or 5 hours. Imagine being out there for 12 hours.
You be there a long ass time.
I was losing my fucking mind.
Y'all still got the one dude? The one dude still work there? The one dude who was at the other truck, remember that day we was out there, it was another truck at a different location. He had his friend come with him. Like he still work here?
I'm the only man that work.
I thought you said it was another dude. It could be a girl. I thought it was a dude though.
It's fine.
When you was like, we was at what's her name, and they was at the other location.
Yeah, it's a girl.
Oh, okay.
My girl Lisa.
Oh, okay.
My only worker still.
What does she do on like off season?
You saying the off season?
What she do?
She said she about to try to do that.
Oh yeah.
I feel bad. I
Yeah.
don't gotta worry about those problems no more. I used to go to work at Home Depot. I don't gotta do that shit either.
Man, I've been trying to find me another job and ain't nobody hitting. I'm like, God just don't want me to work a 9 to 5, obviously, but God, I need to pay these bills. If you go help me, please. I know you need help. I need a little bit of help, buddy.
You can close that until somebody come up.
I think somebody might be coming up. We'll be back, guys. You said chicken tacos? Okay. That's all? Oops. I need to learn how to rip paper off. Oh my gosh. Look at me about to knock everything over. out of my car?
You trying to do what?
Get out of my car. Here you go. You're welcome.
What you mean, like get a new one?
Yeah. Trying to get out of it.
What's wrong with that one? Oh yeah. Diet. I think that's too fucking much.
I'm trying to pay $300.
Yeah, I missed it. My that red car used to have was like $275. Boy, I missed them days. $275.
Hello. I love your hat. Okay. Kids chicken tacos and french fries?
Kids chicken tacos?
Is that a thing?
Yeah. Just chicken and cheese. Just add some chicken and cheese on that.
Is chicken and cheese okay? On the tacos? Is just chicken and cheese okay? Or, oh, chicken tenders. Tenders and fries. That's all, no drink? Okay. This is kid tenders.
Got it.
Barbecue sauce? Yep. A straw. Do you have straw? No straw. I forgot I was recording this whole time.
Yeah, then you won't remember me.